Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We're going to do a walkthrough of an Altendorf F90 Elmo. If you have questions about pricing, availability, or if you have surplus machines you'd like to sell, you could reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com. Also remember that all of our machines are located right here in Naperville, Illinois, and that we do not broker tools to ensure quality. We are also processing anywhere from 40 to 50 additional machines, so check back often, as we do not list machines until they've been thoroughly cleaned and tested. Again, this is a 1996 Altendorf F90 Elmo. It has a 3200 millimeter carriage, 7.5 horsepower main motor, 1 horsepower on the scoring. It does have hydraulic raise and lowering of that blade. You simply come in and you're going to kick it down, and that will raise your blade. And to lower the blade, you simply come in, put your foot underneath here, push up, and that blade is going to drop. Works really nicely. No issues with that unit at all. You do have your adjustments for your scoring right here. They're motorized, up, down, and left and right adjustments. This is for your readout on your RPM on the blade. This is saw on, scoring on, and down here you also have saw on, scoring on. On the front you do have the lock for that raise and fall of that blade as well. If you want to gain full access, you simply push this in and you can slide the carriage forward to have full access to the blade and scoring unit. Being an Elmo, it does have an automated fence. It's going to adjust you pretty much plus or minus about 0.03 of an inch. Slides nicely. Stays level with the table when you do slide it. You do have 2 flip stops. Your other fence, manuals, wrenches. Machine is currently wired to 30 volt 3-phase. If we come under the machine and open up the door, you can look inside. It does have multiple RPM or blade speed of 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, and 6,000 RPM. You simply flip this lever back. It's going to release the tension on the blade. Move your belt accordingly to the diagram on the door. And at the same time, what you're going to do is you're going to flip this little plastic piece here, and that's going to tell you the blade speed up top. It's going to give you the digital readout of speed up front. Go ahead and turn it on real fast. You do have a braking motor on that main motor. So any of your stops are going to break that main blade. Again, if you have any questions or comments, you could reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.